I'm Sebastian and I am responsible for sales to timber construction companies at Schmid Heinfeld, Austria's only screw manufacturer with more than 108 years of experience. Located near Vienna, we produce around 10,000 tons of screws each year. Our focus: high quality screws for timber construction from 3 to 16 mm in diameter and up to 1,500 mm in length. All our products meet the highest technical standards, including the ETA approval and the ICC ES. Proud to announce that Rapid is now part of the CLT Toolbox, a design tool which makes it easier than ever for engineers to calculate connections. We repeatedly register new patents because we always looking for better solutions to improve our products. At Schmid we believe that good products need great service. That's why we support our customers with technical advice, calculation service and hands-on training for engineers. With our deep know-how in mass timber constructions, we want to share our Austrian expertise with the world, always with a clear focus on sustainability and building responsibly. So whatever you are building, trust the screw that's engineered to perform. Trust Rapid.